Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 4, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and today I will deliver its 4th lecture. And this is the review of unit number 4. As we have covered all the student learning outcomes of this unit, so today we will revise them and revise all the concepts and important points, and then I will take an evaluation. So my dear students, these are all the student learning outcomes that we have completed so far. And let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective that we have covered in this unit. The day when we will call every people with their imam. So my dear students, हमें रोज़े हशर जो है अल्लाह ताला हमारी पहचान जो है हमारे इमाम से, हमारे लीडर्स से होगी. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने कायदे आज़म का इंट्रोडक्शन किया, उनकी अर्ली लाइफ के बारे में जाना. 25 दिसंबर 1986 को कायदे आज़म जो है वो पैदा हुए. 1976 को कायदे आज़म पैदा हुए थे. और कायदे आज़म जो है उनका रियल नेम नहीं था. हिज रियल नेम वाज मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, और कायदे आज़म का मतलब है ग्रेट लीडर. तो कायदे आज़म जो है ये उनका खिताब था, उनका टाइटल था जो उनको दिया गया. उनको बाबा कौम के नाम से, फादर ऑफ द नेशन के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. इसके अलावा हमने ये भी पता किया था कि कायदे आज़म जो हैं वो कराची में पैदा हुए थे. वज़ीर मेंशन वो जगह थी जहाँ पर वो पैदा हुए कराची में. उनका जो मज़ार है वो भी कराची में है. उन्होंने अपनी अर्ली एजुकेशन जो है वो बॉम्बे से और कराची से हासिल की. इसके बाद लॉ के लिए वो लिंकन्स इन इंग्लैंड चले गए थे, जहाँ से उन्होंने लॉ की डिग्री ली. इसके बाद वो जब वतन वापस आए तो उन्होंने मुस्लिम लीग जो है वो ज्वाइन कर ली, पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन कर ली. स्टार्ट में तो कायदे आज़म को ऐसे लगता था कि मुसलमानों को और हिंदुओं को मिलकर रहना चाहिए, बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम ही गॉट टू नो कि मुसलमान और हिंदू टोटली अलग नेशंस हैं और इनको अलग अलग होमलैंड्स में रहना चाहिए. सो हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान? कायदे आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ कायदे आज़म? ग्रेट लीडर. वेरी गुड. So by which efforts of Qaid-e-Azam Pakistan came into being? Through his political efforts, his day and night work, Pakistan came into being. When Qaid-e-Azam died? Qaid-e-Azam died on 11th September 1948. Very good. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can also get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, here is a passage on Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So after reading this passage, you have to fill in the blanks and you also have to answer the questions, and then you have to tell the statement which is true or false. So first of all, you have to read this passage very carefully. Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is our national hero. Qaid Azam was born on December 25th, 1876 in Karachi. He joined a political party called the Muslim League. Qaid Azam fought for Muslims and got them a separate country on 14th August 1947. His motto was unity, faith and discipline. He became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He died in 1948, but his courage, hard work and services for the Muslims of the subcontinent will keep him alive in our hearts. Qaid Azam is the father of the nation. So this is the passage that I have just read. So by reading this, you can find out all the answers from this passage for these fill in the blanks, true, false, and question answers. So read it again carefully, pause the video, and complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has finished it. Submit your worksheet to the teacher for evaluation, and then we will move forward towards the homework. For homework, you will do independent activity number 2. With the help of your parents, try to find out the achievements of some other leaders like Fatma Jinnah and Liaquat Ali Khan. Make a poster about these leaders and present it in your class. Display the best chart in the class. So my dear students, और भी बहुत सारी पर्सनालिटीज़ थी और फेमस लीडर्स थे जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को बनने में बहुत मदद की थी. उनकी बहुत सारी कुर्बानियाँ और उनका बहुत हार्ड वर्क है. सो टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट आती हैं फातिमा जिन्ना. फातिमा जिन्ना जो है ये कायदे आज़म की छोटी बहन थी. So you will paste her picture and then write a few lines about her achievements. So Fatma Jinnah is widely considered as the spiritual role model for women in her native Pakistan. She dedicated her entire life to the service of poor and weak. She used her education and position to create awareness regarding women and parental health among other social issues. She is known as the mother of the nation. Madre Millat भी इनको कहा जाता है. So make a poster on this. You can use these lines or you can search for more and paste a picture and make your chart. Next is Liaquat Ali Khan. So Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, and he played the pivotal role not only in the Pakistan movement in strengthening the All India Muslim League in the important meetings related with the Pakistan matters. He was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. So पाकिस्तान के बनने में लियाकत अली खान की भी बहुत ज़्यादा जिद्दोजहद है. सो बहुत सारी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोमिनेंट पर्सनालिटीज़ थी, लीडर्स थे जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को कायदे आज़म के साथ मिलके हमारे लिए बनाया. So we are all thankful to them. So let's move forward towards the wrap up. So Qaid Azam was born on 25th December 1876 when Indian leaders tried to make the lives of Muslims miserable. Qaid Azam presented his 4 points and he worked hard and hard for the betterment of the Muslims of the subcontinent and to give them a separate homeland named as Pakistan. So my dear students, there is no power, Qaid Azam said that there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. So Alhamdulillah, Allah ka shukr hai कि हम आज़ाद मुल्क में रह रहे हैं. You should all be extremely thankful to Allah and to the leaders who have worked hard for this country. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.